In this video, I will show you how to repair the charging cable quickly and easily. This will take about 1 minute and one piece of double-sided tape. Let's look at the damage before repair. Everything is very simple. I took about a 10 cm piece of double-sided tape and stuck it around the cable. This is not critical damage to the charging cable, but because of this cable may stop working in the future. Let's take a quick look at this process. I chose double-sided tape because it sticks very strongly and for a long time. I know this because I used it often before. Let's look at the result. Let's see if everything works. I think it's great. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.